Hello, my art viewers. Welcome back to my channel. You're seeing the art of inside impressions, and this is Artist Bapna. So, today we are going to see the beautiful process of making newspaper. So, if you think newspaper making is really easy, so let me show how it will be and what is the process of making this newspaper pieces. So, coming to the first process, we need to initially uh, build up the pieces uh, outline. Okay, so you need to measure according to the piece shape. So I'm just working on each and every piece measurement here. You can see using my divider. So uh, yeah, measurement is really important to get the perfect output as our reference image. So if you want to draw like from your imagination, you never get the perfect output as a reference image. So stop making mistakes of imagination works and just see what you can do and how can you get the perfect output. So that is the most important rule when you are making the artwork or painting or anything. So make sure what can you observe, you need to observe carefully, and then only you need to do. Okay, so if you want to make some changes or if you want to make some different creative things on your portrait, that is well and good, but initial outlines must be same. Or if you want to merge some other portrait with the like if you want to merge two portraits, then you can change many factors, but we are not working on like changing element. So what I do is I'll make this all outlines here. Okay, so this outline process is really so easy. Yeah, easy when you spend much time and you need to get the perfect outlines of paper pieces. Okay, so here we are working on newspaper pieces, and you can see those blurry areas, those spreaded letters, everything you need to cover. So everything I'll cover in this video. So you can see one square box here in this video, and that is total real time video. But yeah, I'll skip few process because you can do it. It means, so I'll show like process and I'll do 2 to 3 art papers here and the outlines, then I'll just skip this. So I'll just inform you or intimate you before I skip. Okay, so please to watch this video completely. And yeah, if you want to know how the process is, so you will get an good idea of making this, and you can take up this challenging works to see your perfect improvement. So now we are starting with the first word. So this is not at all the English one. The newspaper is like in other language, so don't bother about that spellings or something. You need to just write what you can see. Okay, so I already started with letter O, and I'm measuring each and every letter. So realism. Realism means every bit of paper is really important. So don't skip any letter or don't draw like, yeah, I know this size will be like 0.5 centimeters and I can do. So please stop thinking in that way. uh, yeah, please stop, because how good you are at writing something or other, but newspaper format and newspaper font style is completely different, and you need to really spend hard time in making this. So like one newspaper page, if it is small, it is taking 1.5 hour, or the complete box it is taking more than 2 hours. Yeah, here I'll skip few process because this measuring process is really time taking, and every letter I'm measuring here, you can see, right, I already said. So this measuring process will take more than an hour, because Every letter we are measuring, every size we are considering, every shadow, every shade, and every spreaded letter we are giving here. So remember that thing, because that's why it is taking more than 2.5 hours. So don't think or don't judge the process after seeing the output, because it will take lot much time than the expected. So I thought I can complete this art piece within like 20 days or like 1 month, but now I'm not sure because the right part is completely covered with newspapers, and this newspaper is taking much time, and I don't want to estimate the time now, though that's why I kept this title as infinity, in the sense it is taking infinite time, and that's the reason I just named it as infinity. So this is my infinity artwork, and I am spending much time on this compared to any other artwork till date. So this is like huge, this is like time taking, this is like more challenging, and this is everything to me, and this is my confidence, and gradually my confidence is increasing while I'm doing this artwork, and I'm really achieving the expected output on this artwork. So people are really asking, how can you handle this big and this monotonous or tedious work? Like making each and every newspaper is same process, but how can you do in this way, and how can you invest this much patience into like this artwork? Means my answer is yes. If you don't invest patience, if you don't invest time, please don't expect for the good growth or good enhancement in your artwork. So challenge yourself and make sure you are achieving it. This video is most of like covering motivation factors, because yeah, that is really lacking in people, and that's why they are not investing good time. So try investing time and see the results. You will really get the best results. Okay, so coming back to our artwork, you can see, right, I'm measuring each and every letter. So our first word is completely done, and we are just first marking the line. So because here letters, that means words are really cross, so it is like cross letters, and I also found like reverse letters. So while sticking, the newspaper is sticked in the reverse way, that's why we can find reverse letters. So everything, so if you find that reverse letters in your reference image, you need to definitely write in reverse way, right? So there is no other option, because you are dealing with realistic output. So you can see on nose it is like little blur and it is light. It is because my reference image is having little light and blurry area, but I really want to touch up that area because it is looking little light in my camera. So yeah, you can make any adjustments at any time. There is no wrong factor of making adjustments. At last, you need to get the good output. So I just want to skip this process. I said, yeah, I just want to skip this process because this is really repetitive for you. This measuring thing is really repetitive process, and you people don't like to see this. So let me speed up the process and I'll skip few areas. Okay, and this is the process and I skip this. Okay, so now we are using 10B grade pencil to make the dark tones, to make the dark letters. Okay, so this dark letters are really the final touches, right? So I'm not adding on layers, because adding on layers doesn't matter here, because we don't want to work on texture and all, so apply directly. So first I used HB pencil. On it I'm using 10B grade pencil. So according to the font style, make the changes. Okay. So here the font style will be really different and you need to observe carefully and just add according to the font style, or else if you are writing on your own style, the newspaper pieces will not look like newspaper pieces because it is completely your style of making. So it requires some practice, so make sure you are writing on the rough paper first. So next process will be like using the blending stump or paper stump and just spreading across all the letters, because this messy effect we really want on the newspaper, because every letter will not be clear on the newspaper. Okay, so that's why I just spread it across the region and am writing the letters which are like misprints, or like which are the shadows, or which are like spreaded across the areas. So I'm just writing those letters in between them using the blending stump only, because we need to get that messy and blurry look. So if you have this blurry region on your artwork, better you start using blending stump, because you'll get the blurry effect using blending stump. This is most the secret tip in this video. Please don't tell to anyone. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed it and the process going really smooth, and try to watch this video completely and make sure you're seeing how it is turning. So see this all the prints which you can observe carefully. So if you are not able to or unable to find this prints and all, make sure you're drawing according to the shapes. Okay, so again I'm just blending properly. Okay, so here what I tried is, newspaper is looking really white, but I just add a little gray tones so that it will look more good. Again we grabbed our 10B grade pencil and we are going on the fonts directly. So yeah, simply adding the other layer. So this is so easy, and once I complete this word I'll just speed up the process so that I don't waste your time, and yeah, I can save your data too. So yeah, frankly speaking, that's it, right? So data and time are the most important factors, so let me speed up the process now. In reality, if I can make my art piece in the speed I used to complete like before 10-15 days only, I guess. Yeah, jokes apart, we are back on the artwork now. Again I'm using blending stuff to mark the misprints. Okay, so yeah, I hope you are understanding it clearly. Yeah, right. So what I said is, yeah, you need to not miss any area. Okay, so make sure you're doing it. So I'll just yeah, we are done with this second layer. Now I really want to make the darkest regions dark first, and then we'll go and see the next process. So here you can see that our like upper region is little dark compared to lower two newspaper pieces. So that's what I'm just doing. So we need to differentiate each piece, right? So this is just spreading across the 10B grade layer of graphite, and you'll also get this blurry look and good messy look after applying when you spread in this way. So 10B doesn't spread completely, right? Little here and there it will spread and it will look good. And now we are using 5B grade pencil for this shadows created by the newspaper pieces. So we are just creating the shadows, so we are just applying in the circular motions or whatever motions you can apply here, because we are not dealing with like complicated skin texture and all. So I didn't say this newspaper pieces are really tough to make, but newspaper pieces are really time taking and it is really tedious. So that's what I said, but it is really easy to make than the skin texture. This newspaper pieces are really easy. Okay, so Yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I'll add the shadows and will end up in within 2 to 3 minutes. And this is what my newspaper piece story, and this is my infinity artwork. I hope you are really enjoying it. So yeah, this is all for today, and I'll just speed up the process. And if I found like I need to add more misprints, if I need to draw like dark misprints, I'm just using 5B grade pencil and I'm adding other layer on the misprints, and after adding I'll just blend in this way so that they look blur. Okay, so yeah, everyone will not have this dirty paper stamp, right? So if you don't have this dirty paper stamp, you need to do in this way. So first write with 5B grade pencil and then blend it properly, and you'll get the beautiful blurry effects. Okay, so yeah, I'll just cover more tips in my video. So if you are skipping a video in between, you may really miss beautiful tips, or you may really miss the motivation factors which I add on almost all videos. Okay, this is all for the day, and artist Bhavna signing off for today. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy, and happy learning. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to tap the bell icon, so that is most important element. And I'll catch up later. Bye bye.